Looking to invest in affordable stocks under $5 before 2026? Today, we're covering 5 low-price stocks that investors are watching closely. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. First is TTEC Holdings, trading around the $3 to $4 range. This company focuses on customer experience and digital solutions for businesses. With cost-cutting efforts and long-term growth potential in AI-driven customer support, some investors see this as a value play if the company executes well. Next is BioAtla, a biotech stock trading close to $1. The company is developing innovative cancer treatments using its proprietary platform. Like most biotech stocks, it's high risk, but successful clinical results could bring strong upside before 2026. Third is Perspective Therapeutics, currently trading under $3. This healthcare company works on targeted cancer therapies and radiopharmaceuticals. It's another speculative stock, but investors looking for long-term growth in the healthcare sector keep it on their radar. Fourth is AMC Entertainment, which has traded under $5 multiple times. As movie theaters continue recovering and AMC works on reducing debt, some investors believe there's turnaround potential, especially if box office numbers improve over the next few years. Last is Fubo TV, a streaming and sports-focused platform that has also traded below $5. With growing interest in live sports streaming and strategic partnerships, investors see possible growth opportunities if the company improves profitability. Low-price stocks can be extremely volatile, but they also offer the chance for significant gains. Always do your own research, manage risk carefully, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's interested in investing.